integrated circuits. So this might be one of the most used term in the industry, IC. You hear the word IC, so this is integrated circuit. So basically, ICs are electrical components that do combine or integrate numerous electrical components, and actually most of which we have mentioned above, say transistors, say resistors, say transistors, capacitors, inductors. So you'll find that most ICs do use those fundamental elements and then integrate them or combine them so that they can come up with a particular another now device. As you can see here, like this device here, inside this device we have resistors, transistors, and maybe caps, so that we can produce an IC, say for instance, an IC for voltage regulation, or maybe a battery charging IC or something of the sort. So ICs are used mostly in electrical devices, say like laptops, television, or smartphones. You'll find them there. I mean, anything that you see resembling either of the images as shown here, it's just an IC. What are the pointers here? So that when you see U, that's one of the things. So like on your PCBs, when you see U, that will always be an IC. An example here that I have used ICs in my PCB, you can see most of the ICs here were used, like one here is for circuit protection. We had one here which is a voltage regulator, and we have another one here also. This was also a voltage regulator. So you see, I mean, the practical application, again, it's very wide and there are very many. And again, you might ask yourself, how do I choose one? It's very easy. Say you want a voltage regulator, just Google voltage regulator ICs. Then you will easily just find one, then just read the data sheets. Like I've said on the pointers, always follow the data sheets. And again, to make your designs and your work easier, always use ICs in your designs of the PCBs. Do not waste time like consolidating so many transistors, resistors, and caps. If there is an IC that can do that, just go for an IC. You'll make your design easier and compact. So that's one of the tips that you'll hear me from time to time, even when we get deeper on PCB design, like you'll see me going for more and more ICs for anything. Just if the IC is available, that's what we go for. Do not like waste time doing more design in terms of